Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to buy meme coins using MetaMask. First, you will need to set up your MetaMask wallet. Begin by downloading and installing the official MetaMask browser extension or mobile application. Once installed, create a new wallet or import an existing one using your 12-word secret recovery phrase. Remember to store this phrase in an extremely secure, offline location. Finally, you will need to fund your new wallet with a base. Now that your MetaMask wallet is set up, the next step is to fund it. You can transfer Ethereum or another compatible cryptocurrency directly to your unique MetaMask wallet address from another wallet or an exchange. Many users purchase their initial crypto on a centralized exchange and then send it to MetaMask. Always ensure you have enough funds to cover not only the meme coin you wish to buy, but also the necessary network gas fees, which can vary. With your protein set aside, it's time to build the stew's aromatic base. In the same pot, add 1 more tablespoon of oil and sauté 1 large chopped onion and 2 minced garlic cloves until they are soft and fragrant, which takes about 5 minutes. Stir in 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and a half teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Simmer this mixture for 10 minutes to deepen the flavors, before adding the yams and 4 cups of vegetable broth. The final step is to complete your meme coin purchase. On the decentralized exchange, enter the amount of base currency, like Ethereum, you want to swap for your chosen meme coin. Carefully review all transaction details, including the estimated gas fees, before giving your final confirmation. Once confirmed in your MetaMask wallet, the transaction will process on the blockchain. For enhanced security, always remember to revoke token approvals for any unused or suspicious contracts after your transactions are complete.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.